Hi everyone, today I am going to make garam masala. If you translate directly, garam masala means hot mixed spices. It has its own rather aromatic heat, not like chili's hotness. I am going to use lots of lovely spices. This is a very important spices mix that is used in lots of Indian and Nepalese cuisine. You can use it to marinate in the beginning or at the ending of cooking for meat and vegetable dishes. It has a mix of earthy aroma and the richness like no other. In home, we make a lot in Dasai time, which is our festival, and most of the time we buy it from market already made. But homemade masala will never let you down and nothing to worry about because you made yourself. You can buy these whole spices in Asian grocery store or directly from my website. Here is the link. Let's make it. Are you ready? In this recipe, I am using 12 types of lovely spices. They can vary and depends on personal taste too, so you can use more types if you like. If the quantity in this recipe is a lot for you, then break it down the recipe to make it less. Let's see, I will also tell you how each of them taste and its flavor as well. 50 grams of cumin seeds, Jeera in Nepali. It has earthy, nutty and spicy flavor. 40 grams of coriander seeds, Dhaniya in Nepali. The seeds have a lemony, citricy flavor. When crushed, then has warm, nutty, spicy and orange flavored. 10 grams cinnamon leaf, Dalchiniko Pat or Tej Patta in Nepalese. Has a spicy type odor, sweet and unspicy type flavor. 25 grams of cinnamon sticks, Dalchiniko Bokra in Nepali. It has a rich, sweet and spicy flavor and aroma. 30 grams of black cardamom, Alaichi in Nepali. It has a smoky flavor and aroma. 20 grams of green cardamom, Sukumel in Nepali. It has a strong unique taste with an intensely aromatic fragrance. 30 grams of black pepper, Marich in Nepali. It has a sharp, pungent aroma and flavor, as you all know. 1 nutmeg, Jaifal in Nepali. Strong sweet spices. 15 grams of Mace, Jaifalpatra in Nepali. This is nutmeg cover, more subtle and delicate than nutmeg. 15 grams cloves, Lwang in Nepali. This spices has one of the most powerful flavors of all the world spices. The taste is pungent, strong and sweet, while a bit bitter and the flavor is hot. 15 grams Star Anise, sweet and intensely aromatic flavor. Star Anise in Nepali. 30 grams fennel seeds, Souf in Nepali. It is digestive and sweet. These all lovely spices you can buy it in Asian Indian grocery store if you have it near where you live or in my web store as well. Next, what am I going to do is that into a mortar I will put some of these big and whole spices to crush, which helps to heat evenly with other when we roast. Cinnamon sticks in green cardamom, black cardamom, mace, cover of nutmeg, star anise and nutmeg. With a pestle, cross to open them. See, like this. My mortar is small. If you have big one, it's better to use for this recipe. I just want like this. So we are done here. Already start to smell so good. Next, heat a thick base pan in low heat. First, add the spices that we crushed in the mortar. Move it like this gently with a spatula until it gets slightly hot, around 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure you keep the low heat. If it's burned, then the flavor of the masala is going to change and it's not nice. I'm touching the spices with my hand. It's warm now. I'm going to add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, cloves, black pepper, fennel seeds and cinnamon leaves. Mix very well gently until it becomes hot, or you can touch them with your hands to make sure while it's heating. Keep in low heat with gently moving the spices around in the pan. You can also sun dry it whole day on the sun heat and make the amazing garam masala. If you see the sun, but where I live now is autumn. It's raining so hard already. Then what I do is this. Now I will check with my hands. Yes, this is hot enough. Took around 3 to 4 minutes in total. Next, turn off the gas and transfer the dried roasted spices to a bowl and let it slightly cool down. Now it is slightly cooled. I will put it into a blender. Seems crispy too. Traditionally, we use big wooden mortar and pestle. In Nepali, we call okhli. But nowadays, we have lots of facility which makes life easier, don't you think? Blend it very well until it becomes a fine powder. I'm going to check it now. It still hasn't blended properly. See the leaves mostly and other spices too. I will push the leaf into the blend spices, which helps leaves to go down. Let's blend it to make the fine powder. Now it is done. Look at this, looks so fine and beautiful. Garam masala is supposed to be towards dark side in color, which I have, and the mix of aroma. Oh my god. I have here a clay plate and a little sieve to strain it to get more fine powder. Let's strain it. Looks so beautiful in color and it smells awesome. Look at the fineness. I'm so happy of this result. Now you have to wait to cool down. After cool down, I will keep it into an airtight bottle. Please keep it in room temperature and dried place, and you can use it up to 6 months. Garam masala is a very delicate mix of spices, so don't fry directly in the oil. It will change the flavor, so it doesn't flavor the same. Better to use 2 to 3 minutes before ending cooking to enhance the fresh aroma and give richness to the dish. Or use as a marinade before cooking. I made it quite a lot to offer my friend one for me and one for you, because I would love to share with you what I use in my kitchen and what I make that I can share. To participate, you need to be a subscriber and leave a comment down below. During the next 10 days, I will choose a lucky person from the comment box, and I will personally send you 1 jar full of this aromatic essential garam masala. Isn't this great, everyone? I'm waiting for your comment now. Hurry up! And also, if you like, you can go to my website pubskitchen.com in shop section and get it from there. It comes directly from my kitchen, pure garam masala and other spices. So today we make an amazing garam masala. We use in India and Nepal a lot with meat, beans and vegetable dishes to marinate and seasoning to make a dish rich, earthy, aromatic and full of flavor. If this recipe is useful for you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification of my delicious future recipe videos. Thank you so much for coming all the way through with me. I really appreciate it. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.